Yeah, so
I'm about to get on
Part two.
I'm about to get on some commercial shit.
Yo,
What it is?
Yo, that's one.
Cancun. Roll down your window, you now rolling with the hottest nigga. I know it's summer, but it feels like winter. I'm hungry. I can eat a nigga food, lunch, dinner, and breakfast too. See shorty over there? She looking at the nigga.
Wow.
Chan baby girl taking pictures of my niggas. And all of a sudden she wanna fill up on my niggas. She got some fatty, so I'm gonna let her chill with my niggas. Car doors lift up like Back to the Future. Can't say nigga no more, the captain will shoot you. I fly without my wings, I'm fly without my wings. See shorty over there, yo, she fly without her wings. Bronx, Brooklyn, maybe Manhattan, Southside Jamaica, Queens, niggas be clapping. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup. On Jackie that ass, nigga. Chicken noodle soup, I'm gone.
Let me get on. Alright, yo, when I write things, matter of fact, if I think it, I'ma tell it. I get up in your brain, so the way you stay safe is wearing a helmet. See, you getting tight like a virgin. Don't get mad at yourself. Play with yourself as if you was Pee Wee Herman. I'm the reason why these MCs going hard. Going hard just to write 16 bars. Oh God, the flow's sick. Put your lights out by the brick. Going hard like I'm strict. This is it. I don't care if the beat drop. Still hot. 100 watts too hot. Watch the album drop.
Fuck out of here,
yo,
nigga. LONBA, nigga. Bornagain. Laws of Nature.
Nah, I'm not even done.
Up on my, you're not even
done.
Hey, my niggas is so hungry.
This is when it's time to say you thought it was over, but it ain't over, son.
So my niggas is hungry. So yo, come on, man. Go ahead.
I'm just criminal minded. Losing my mind, I can't find it. Yo, on the track, I'm gonna get him. Before I finish him, I'ma try to get at him before I get rid of him. You can see me with the doors up, stunting. Word about nothing, about to get into something. And the word about me, I'm always working. Here and there, chilling, but chilling, not even worth it. Yo, Kyle's working on a movie, man.
Oh my God.
Kyle's oversees the clothesline, man.
He is.
Oh my God.
My little brother, yeah, he working on a cartoon, man.
Oh my
So everywhere you go, I'll be promoting, man.
Oh, word.
Hear me on the track, dissing on my haters, but don't get me wrong. LON, we love the haters. This is the nature. BA, Chazzo with the money generating. Shit.
This is it.
That's it.
That's what it is.
Take that. Give him one more bar. Give him one bar. Give him
Put him in. Put him in. Put him in. Put him in.
Oh, we got it.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm ready for anything, down for anything.
Okay.
Come bring the drama, I'll come back even harder. I'm so relentless, I slit your neck sick. So don't even think about finishing your sentence. Got people that will put the gats in you and put you to your death.
Okay.
Twisted, gifted. I'm ready for the.
Whoa, that was it. You trying to tease me, or you trying to tease them? You trying to tease them, right? You trying to tease them?
They don't know. We out here.
It's finished. Yo, son, sad child. Give it up for them. Give it up for these boys. Lawz of Nature, Bornagain.
They better give it out.
Back to tour now. We going back to tour now. We out here.
We do what we gotta do. So we out. So
Hey, yo, I want to give a couple of shout outs.
give a peace out.
No. Yo.
LON!
Okay. We got LON in the building. Bornagain in the building. We just got the whole team right here.
We the best.
Sad child, we the best.
Yo, we got the whole team right here, man. This is nothing, man. We got more to come. More come.
You.
Yes, you already know. You already know. I don't know how Soulja Boy got put on.
Come. I'm gonna do it.
Alright.
This is how it drops right here. How it drops.
I'm gonna do the little Soulja Boy, alright?
Don't do it. Don't do it, huh?
What?
Alright. You know what I'm saying? It's our new dance. That's our new style. I don't know how Soulja Boy get put on. You know what I'm saying? We hottest right here.
Yo, Soulja Boy, he just playing with you.
We the hottest right here.
Fuck you, nigga.
What you think?
What you gotta say, Chad? What you gotta say about that nigga, man?
Get your paper, whatever.
Word. Get your paper. You hot.
You the best, homie.
Let's end this with a shut up and have a nice day.
Yeah.
You better go to sleep. Especially all them girls out there. You go to sleep. Fast.
Especially
Richie.
Hey, Richie, how you turn it up?
What happened? Come on, you bugging.